MK again, another video. We got the Mark 1 seats here. Quite filthy as you can see. And we got a little green. We're gonna see what we can do with them. We'll go from there. Cheers. So this is what those Mark 1 seats are looking like here. Really after just one, you can see I gotta still clean the leather part. I don't know, faux leather, whatever it is, but honestly, cleaned up not too bad. I'm pretty stoked with these. I'm gonna go over it a couple more times with the carpet cleaner. Hopefully be able to get, sort of got like a smell to it, but it's not as bad as it was at all. And I don't know if the fabric got stained from, you know, water leaking in the car and water getting on the seats and coming off of that, because if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to look like that. And but you got certain parts that sort of look bluish like that there. Yeah, but pretty happy with those. We'll keep on keeping on with that and move to the next thing on the Mark 1. Stay tuned.